Hi, I am Ion Avila from Pria's lab at the National Center for High Technology in Costa Rica. Since December 2021, we have been monitoring the Antillean manatee in Costa Rica using visual and acoustic manatee records. Now, we want to develop a new technique to monitor environmental variables of the Antillean manatee habitat using remote sensing technologies, and combine such data with the visual and acoustic records of manatee presence as a basis to develop a model to monitor manatee habitat remotely using satellite images. For this, we will use the Tortuguero National Park at the northern Caribbean part of Costa Rica as our study area. And how will we do this? To monitor the environmental variables, we will use an spectrometer to gather the spectral signature of the water in several sampling points, where we will also collect water samples for chemical analysis. With this information, we will determine the inherent optical properties of the water sampling points. These will be used to apply water coloring physical models in Sentinel-2 images to obtain distribution maps of colored dissolved organic matter, total suspended matter, and chlorophyll. On the other hand, we will also use drone flights in each sample point, deploying a multispectral drone to gather an image of the river and the shore's vegetation. We will also apply a supervised classification algorithm to map the vegetation in the whole study area. With this, we will have information of water quality, vegetation, turbidity, temperature, and depth of the river. We will also record manatee sightings and grazing spots using our Mareco app and drone flight surveys. We will also gather data on manatee presence by recording and analyzing vocalizations with our automatic manatee count algorithm. We will create environmental maps that will be correlated with manatee data presence using multivariate analysis and machine learning algorithms to develop our remotely predictive model for manatee habitats. The use of remote sensing techniques to study environmental conditions of the manatee habitat is an emerging field. Our model to remotely predict manatee habitats derived from a combination of geoenvironmental maps and manatee presence data will be innovative. This model will have the potential for replication in other manatee areas in Costa Rica and other countries along the habitat range of the species from Mexico to Brazil. The Antillean manatee is endangered throughout its whole habitat range in the Caribbean, and its populations are considered under decline. There is much we can still do in its favor.